How long has the subway been gone?
They moved out about last fall, late summer, early fall. We got into nothing too brutal, but a little bit of litigation on getting them closed out, so it stretched out for a while before we could release the property.
Yeah, because it looked like they were gone before it was available.
What's that?
It looked like they were out of here before it was actually available. Is that true?
I don't know what you mean.
It seemed like they shut down before this place was for rent a good bit.
Correct. They shut down and we had to get it ready to rent.
Yeah. Is that a hot water heater up here on the wall?
What's that?
Is that a hot water heater up here on the wall? That,
The hot water heaters
what is that?
back here in this door, I think. Oh, no, yeah, that's one. I don't know if we've got a second one in here or not. That's a hot water heater.
That looks like vents. That's good. Oops.
There's the HVAC.
Oh, yeah. No more storage. All right. So most of it is storefront, more of the square footage.
As it is right now.
Yeah,
Whoever gets it, do what they want with it, you know what I mean?
it's big.